I can see my future and it's looking bright. Not used to the light, I was born at night, but I'm used to a fight, not a new sight. Left, right, everybody roll the dice. No regrets when I finally leave, I'll finally be the final, be a better me. My destiny is to invest in me, a quest to be the best, yeah, I'll let you free from a world that's been feeling so wounded. I got dreams and they feel so lucid, I got dreams that they think are stupid. It's alright, sit back cause I do this. I don't take this life for granted, my mind's expanding. It's time for a fight, command of the war. I want more, yeah, I said I want more. Took a life full of hooks, time to even the score.
One life left, so I gotta make it count. Two bloody ends, work hard just to build it now. Three more doubts in my head, try to tear me down, but I won't let it show. Four limbs carry me alone through the struggle now. Five toes dangle off the edge, don't look down. 6 feet deep, what will I leave when I'm underground? I don't know.
Let's go,
but watch me go.
take a deep breath in, can you feel that? That's 1 in a billion, wait, 1 in a trillion. A life that's been given, a life that's worth living. I don't wanna miss it, I'll get up and get it. Cause I got a vision, I got ambitions, I've got the energy, I'm on a mission. Passion and purpose, they light the ignition. I made a decision, so listen up. I'm here to take a stance, you cannot keep me down, digging from underground. I'm here to take a chance, never down for the count, I'll go another round. Do you believe?
Yes, I believe.
I can achieve, I'll do it for me. I wanna be free, I have to be free. So get off your knees, stand up and believe. I don't need money, I don't need fame. That shit's all coming as soon as I change. Take a step forward, the path is the same. 1 step at a time, push through all the pain. I just need me, I need belief. These gatekeepers try to keep me from a dream. A game made of gold, all money and souls. I'll never give up till I rip through their walls. I'll take the risk, I'll take the hits. The bigger the gamble, the bigger the win. Like Chester, it's crawling through all of my skin. Adrenaline pumping, I'll push till the end. Doesn't even matter, we all die in the end. No happily ever after, oh yeah, it all matters. We all die, but my soul takes a whole new chapter.
1 life left, so I gotta make it count. 2 bloody ends, work hard just to build it now. 3 more doubts in my head, try to tear me down, but I won't let it show. 4 limbs carry me alone through the struggle now. 5 toes dangle off the edge, don't look down. 6 feet deep, what will I leave when I'm underground? I don't know, but watch me go.
Good day, dear interlocutor. Permit me to regale you in the finest old-fashioned British vernacular on the vexing matter of antiquated contraptions being supplanted by the gleaming novelties of modern ingenuity. Lend me your ear as we ponder the perils, promises, and profound progression of our technological odyssey, and whether it shall culminate in triumph or tumble into ruin, leaving naught but relics of yesteryear. The perils of old technology fading into oblivion. Once upon a time, the clatter of the typewriter, the whir of the gramophone, and the meticulous craft of the telegraph operator defined our world. These venerable tools, now consigned to the dusty annals of history, were not merely instruments, but emblems of human endeavor. The peril lies in their obsolescence. For as newer contrivances, computers, smartphones, and the infernal internet usurp their place, the skills that once sustained them fade like ink on a forgotten manuscript. The art of hand-setting type for a printing press or navigating by sextant under a starry firmament is nigh extinct, known only to a dwindling cadre of antiquarians. This loss of craft is a wound to our cultural tapestry, for each skill forsaken is a thread unraveled from the fabric of our heritage. Moreover, the machinery of old was tangible, repairable by a chap with a wrench and a modicum of pluck. Today's devices, with their inscrutable circuits and proprietary sorcery, defy such homely intervention. Should these modern marvels fail, we are at the mercy of distant corporations, our independence diminished. And what of the societal cost? The telegraph fostered brevity and precision. Today's endless digital prattle often drowns meaning in a deluge of noise. We risk becoming estranged from the deliberate pace of yore, where thought preceded action, and patience was a virtue. Yet, let us not be wholly dour, for the advancements of our age are nothing short of prodigious. The computer, that miraculous box of boundless potential, has rendered calculations once laborious into trifles. Where once a letter took weeks to cross the seas, now an email flits across continents in a heartbeat. Medical contraptions, MRI machines, robotic scalpels have wrested countless souls from the jaws of death. The internet, for all its cacophony, is a grand library, democratizing knowledge as never before. A farmer in the shires may now learn of distant markets, and a scholar in a garret may converse with minds across the globe. These innovations have knit humanity closer, fostering collaboration and discovery. The steam engine begat the railway, which begat the aeroplane. And now we speak of voyages to the stars.